Hi, my name is Tracy Wheatley Romano. I'm a grade 6 teacher here at Brookville School. I like the idea of bringing students and their families together with community members to help promote holistic health. Often we focus on physical health, nutritional health, but we forget about mental health, social health, and spiritual health, so we've kind of brought everything together under one umbrella.
It's so important to catch these young minds at this point, to teach them the value of clean food, of clean living, of healthy habits.
No, there's only a few species, but there's 2 that's edible. So
Good job, good job, good job, good job. Wow. That's it, good. 10.